What is everybody? This is Naz, and today we're building the 3D modern portfolio. We have been continuing this for the past 3-4 days, I want to say, and the goal is to build a 3D modern portfolio with Next.js, with TailwindCSS, with React 3 Fiber, with TypeScript, and so many more. And here's how it actually looks like on the design side. This is what we've built so far in the past few days. Actually, let me get Daniel up in here. This will be so the past few days, and our goal is to build it like this, pretty much. So, hopefully you guys can hear me, by the way. There it is. We've got our 3D objects. We're gonna use Spline to enter this in. We already have like some basic 3D objects right here, and of course, and right there as well, as you can see. You can actually move around with them. Pretty cool. Our goal is to add on more 3D objects today, basically. And yeah, continue on the build, yeah? Sounds good, Daniel?
Let's do it. Sounds good to me.
Awesome. Beautiful. All right, everybody. Hope you guys are having an amazing day, as always. We are excited. I'm just excited to be doing some cool stuff with you guys today. Let me see here.
Oh, yeah, it's gonna be great.
By the way, I mean, I don't know, but it'd be so funny.
I just started talking like this. Right, Daniel? Alright, Daniel,
Okay.
so let's go ahead and get started here. So,
Let's do it.
what is the first thing that we need to do, okay?
Need to keep working on them icons. We just gotta get back in Spline
Yep.
in the editor and
Yep.
get back to it. I think we've already done the Twitter and GitHub ones. We just need to work on the other ones and get them added.
Yeah. Okay, let's do it. So, you ready? Okay, so, we got Spline.
Okay, so let's do it.
I'm so excited. Okay, so, we got a Twitter icon, but where is our GitHub icon? I think it's right here. Oh, right there. There it is. Cool. Let's double click on this. Awesome. So there it is. Looking pretty good, honestly, right? No? What do you think? I like
That
it.
looks good to me.
I like it. This is awesome. If you guys like it as well, let me know, okay? This is my new voice. This is my actual voice, by the way. Just so you know. Okay, great. We're gonna go use React. We're gonna import Spline. Let's go to back. By the way, for those of you who are interested, you can actually check this out down below in the description and actually follow along with us completely, as well as the design is also in the description, the Figma file. So you're welcome to use it too. Okay, great. Okay, so here is our app here. Here is our Spline. Okay. Let's add on this next one here. So I'm gonna do Command C, Command V. At this time, let's add the new one, right? Yes?
Yep.
This one, so export. Nice. And then just paste it in like this. Beautiful, right there. Awesome. Yes. Bro, this is too much fun. Oh, let's go! We've got our GitHub. Oh yeah. Is that cracking you up, Daniel?
I'm like, how much fucking shots of espresso has this guy had this morning, man? Like, damn. It's funny though, because it's just so natural. I was checking it like on the actual live stream and it sounds so good.
Yeah,
People
right?
are gonna
Yeah.
hearing everything. Yeah.
Crazy. So, anyways, we've got our thing. Where do we need to move this GitHub? Where? Tell me.
I need the Figma design.
Yeah.
I think it's above
More
the Twitter
above,
icon.
right? Yeah,
it's more
above right there. So, let's maybe change the top position. So do top, not 1/4. But what do you think? Not 1/4.
Something lower, because obviously
Lower?
it has to be top, but you can look at Tailwind's the values they provide.
CSS, okay. So we've got that one. There we go. Okay, good. So then, gonna go and the top right here. Daniel, imagine if you had this
Yes.
as well. How cool would that be? Like, you would have like a different complete voice, and then I would have a different voice.
Oh man, that'd be hilarious.
That'd be hilarious.
I need to
Right?
invest in. I need to invest in this setup. I need to invest in that.
Yeah, I know, right? That's awesome. Okay, anyways, so we have 1/3 right here.
1/3 is bigger than one.
Yeah, 1/3 is bigger, so we can't use that. We have to have, I think, pixels in that case. Like, that's the only one that makes sense now. Yeah.
Pixels, and then the values are still big. We could always like provide our own specific values for that.
Yeah. Let's just use this
Just-
spec element for now.
Or we can
Let's see.
even use a custom smaller percentage
Yeah.
as well.
Okay.
yeah.
Let me see here. So
If we don't feel like using pixels.
yeah, but right. Oh, actually, you're right. Yeah. No, we can do that. Yeah. So instead of saying like top 1/4, we just say like top what? 10%.
Like 10%. That's what
Yeah, there
exactly
we
what I
go.
was thinking.
Yeah, there we go. Yeah, I like
Yeah,
that. Yeah,
That's
yeah,
what I
yeah.
think.
So let's go and refresh this. Hey, but I think it's supposed to
What
be
happened?
bigger. No, it's refreshing.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's refreshing. Okay.
Yeah, yeah,
okay.
yeah, yeah. So
I was like,
10%.
whoa.
Actually, not even smaller. I think 5% probably. Yeah, there we
How
go.
much? I know it looked like I didn't move much.
Well, yeah, I did right there. See, I did. It was
Oh,
right
okay.
here. Now it's here.
Okay. I can
So-
see that's better. Yeah, that's better.
Maybe 2% now. Top 2%. 2%. 2%. 2%. 2%. 2%.
Mhm.
2%. Okay, perfect. Awesome. Okay, next up, we need to make this even more. I think like it was like right here.
Yeah.
So I
I
think
feel like we could also move the Twitter icon
Yeah,
down a little bit.
like more to the right and more down. Yeah.
A little more to the right and a little more down.
Yeah.
And then we just got to push the GitHub icon more up and to the right.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Over
Okay.
there.
So Twitter more to the right. So it's gonna be what is it called? Maybe 3/4. Like this.
Yeah, I think that
Yeah.
could work.
Let's try this.
See.
Okay, refresh it. Oh hell
Oh,
no,
man.
that's not right.
What one
Oh,
for?
actually, no,
No,
this
I was
is
about
good.
to say.
But this is
like-
still not. It's way too to the right. No.
So it's somewhere between, what was it before? 1/2?
Yeah.
We're
Well,
gonna
okay.
find a number in the middle.
Let's try to make this. This is starting to fully frustrate me. Damn it. Okay.
I can't take that seriously, bro.
Okay, we're done.
No, it was good. I liked it though.
Yeah, I thought it was funny. I thought it was hilarious. Okay, so we got the left here. Oh, what the hell kind of a song is this? Oh, this is much better. So left, maybe like instead of like 25%, maybe let's do like before it was what 1/2, right? Maybe like 60%
Yeah, it was
in that
1/2,
case.
right?
60% now.
That's what I was thinking. Like,
Yeah, I think it's gonna be
somewhere
better.
kind of in the middle.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be better. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's better. No.
Yeah, that's way better. Yeah,
Maybe even 60. I think even maybe like 65%. I think like, yeah, there's
Just
always
slightly.
yeah, there's better ways of actually doing this, of course. Like I think the best is to actually create like a thing right here and to actually there we go. See, and then the
Better.
GitHub icon. Let's make the icon a little bit bigger actually. No,
Yeah, you definitely need to scale that one up.
so maybe instead of like 350, it's like 400 for example.
Yeah.
Boom.
Sweet.
Let's see now here. But I think it's gonna overlap still. Yeah, see, it's gonna overlap. So top is literally like, what is the 1%? I don't understand. Like, how is it that? Oh, it's
What's
because
the
it's just because it's so huge, man. So it's not actually increasing in size at all. Oh, I keep forgetting. That's why, because we have to turn on the in spline. Remember in play settings? Yeah.
What's that?
Like inside here, we have to turn on what's it called? Because like right now, I believe. No, you can't. Because I believe here you have. Oh, auto zoom is actually on. Never mind. Actually, auto zoom is on. Oh no, that's weird. Like it feels like it doesn't really increase the size. You know what I mean? Like like even with 400 pixels, for example.
No, I see what you're saying. Yeah, I was like, how is it barely moving?
Well, it's barely moving because the box is
You
400
look at the-
pixels. Look at this box, man.
Yeah. But then once I saw the box, I'm like, that makes a lot more sense. It's already at the
No,
top.
it's already at the top. It makes a ton more sense. I just like I don't know how to fit. How do you make it fit the content? Is the question. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I get it.
Yeah, I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna. In the meantime, I'm gonna work on the other one, which is React.js logo. No, the React logo.
That is, I think I just grabbed it. Oh, you know what? You could just grab SVG and just
Yeah,
do the same thing.
like this. No,
Yeah.
just
it's
grab an
perfect.
SVG.
Yeah.
We have this type of situation, or we can do it like this. Let's see here, React. I think, is it this color right here? That's React Native. I mean, it's the same thing though. React Native,
They're the same thing, yeah.
same thing. I don't like these colors per se. These colors don't look the normal React colors. No.
Yeah, they're really not. React Native one is the closest to it.
Yeah, so this is the most closest one I would say in terms of the actual.
Yeah. I think it's good.
Yeah.
I think that looks good.
Okay, so let's see. Let's go download this. SVG 48 by 48 download. Awesome. Let's go to Spline here
Nice.
again. Duplicate file. Yo, what's up, developer profile? Good to see you.
Mhm.
Is this a duplicate version? Oh, it is, yeah. So now let's go ahead and do
Oh yeah,
React.
just copy.
Yeah, React logo. Yeah, let me go and send this to you as well and share with you.
Sounds good.
What is your? Oh, remember it's the
It should be
Daniel.
And yeah,
There
that
we
one.
go.
There you go.
invite. Oh. Wow. There we go. Okay. Did you get it, the invite?
Yep,
Yeah, you
I'm
did.
in.
Perfect. Awesome. Nice. All right, so we're good on that side. So let me import this React logo now. Let's see what we can do with that. Dig it down.
Let's do it.
Down, down. Oh, did we do it? Where did it go?
What is it? Oh, import.
The
Yeah,
React
it's the
logo.
React Native. It's gonna be in the middle, so it might be
Oh,
getting blocked by
Oh,
this.
it's right here. Dude, it's like made of different shapes. Look at this shape.
Wow, that's crazy.
Yeah. It's insanity. What
I'm
the
gonna move this
hell?
over.
Yeah, it's made of different shapes. Did you see that?
That is crazy. Wait.
Right? I'm like, damn. So let me see. Let me go and run this. Oh, there it is. Right there, see? Stupid fucking. Oh, what happened there?
Sorry, my bad.
Daniel! What are you doing, Daniel?
I reset its position.
Oh, hell no. Where'd the React logo go?
It's just inside because they're in the same position.
Oh, there it is now. Okay. You're screwing up here. That's why. I was like, damn, Daniel. Screwing with us,
There we
Daniel,
go.
right?
Try not to.
Okay, so there's their logo. So we need to make this logo now 3D by using the whole, what's it called? But the thing is that, like, how do we combine these? Can we combine these shapes?
You should. Let me see if this works. Okay, I'm gonna hide the GitHub for now. I'm gonna open this. I don't know how this would work, but I'm gonna try to. I don't know how merging will affect them. If it messes them up, then I'll switch it.
Merge? Are you talking about merge geometry? What the hell is that?
It allows you to merge like different pieces all into one.
Oh,
so
really?
I
Okay.
just let me test out to see how that works. Do they even give you ability? Well, Kappa can extrude that. There we go.
What are you doing? No, but yeah, you see, you're doing that thing individually.
Oh yeah, I get
Yeah.
that, but there's really, I don't think they really give us a way to merge and be
Is-
able to extrude.
Really? There's no way to merge shapes?
Well, there is a way if you highlight all of them, look at the right.
Yeah.
There's
Merge
geometries,
geometries.
but
But
there's
that doesn't
no
really
extrusion.
doesn't have the extrusion
Yeah.
part.
Which
weird.
I don't know how merging affects them,
Hmm.
but yeah.
I guess we can always just, okay, so then let's just do it separately. So then I gotcha. So then for the GitHub then, I guess, right?
Mm-hmm.
Just the shape.
Yeah. Yeah.
The extrusion was 10. So do the same thing for the shape 1.
Yeah.
8, 9, 10. And it's huge because it's ginormous.
scale
Look
it
at
up.
this. Yeah, because we need to make it bigger, so that's okay. So do the same one, do the same thing for the other shapes, by the way.
I
There you go.
gotcha. Okay, I'll do it.
What is that
For
purple
the
thingy?
middle-
Is that you?
Purple?
Oh, I think it's because it's you.
Yeah, I think it's just me. Looks weird, but yeah. Oh, it's 10, right? Or is it 12? Okay, it is 10. Let me change that then. Then let's do it.
Yeah.
10. Then
So he is taking every single shape and he's using this extrusion thing right here to extrude it. It's a name for it.
but damn, this logo is bright. The intensity of that light, I think could be brought
I
down.
know, right? Let's make this bigger, man. Oh, actually, no, hold on. Sorry. Let's make this shift bigger. There we go. There we go. What do you think? Where's the...
I think it's good.
Where is the actual... so the actual... Oh, did you hit the GitHub one?
Yes, but I could highlight it and show it. There it is.
Is there any way for me to reset my camera? Because I feel like I'm so lost. Oh, there it is.
Honestly, I don't know if there is a way, but I feel like I want to find that because I had to switch cameras because I lost my other one. No idea where I was.
I'm like... Because this feels so weird, you know what I mean?
Oh, it does.
I
So
kind of
there
see.
can be
Oh,
a
you actually can reset it. You're right. Yeah, you actually can reset it. There's like a reset button or something.
Really?
Yeah. So where is the light coming from? Is my question.
The light, I don't know if you see the gray line.
Yeah, I see the gray
That's-
line. Yeah.
That's the light.
Okay. So it's
Oh,
shining
yeah.
directly. So it's shining directly on the what's it called? The logo, basically.
Yep. Yep, exactly.
Gotcha. So then let's remove that GitHub one.
Go
Yeah.
for it. Yeah, I think we're good.
There we
Let's
go.
get rid of it.
Should we like make... I'm just thinking here. Should we maybe put it... Well... There we go. Boom. Does it accept shadow, by the way? I don't think so. Does it?
Trying to see.
One, two. There we go. No, I think it does. It does receive shadow. Yeah. No, you're right. It does. It does. Oh my goodness. Guys, 3D is a whole different beast, I swear. Pranav is like, it's 1 o'clock in India. I'm like, damn.
Huh. No.
You got this, man.
That's funny. Okay.
All right.
It
So
says lighting.
what are you trying to
'Cause
to
light-
fix there, Daniel?
So the lighting isn't working on it, of course, because the lighting isn't enabled on the material. So like we do this.
Ah, really?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, that's cool now. What did you just do?
So if you click on each shape and you go to the material section on the right side,
Yeah.
you'll see lighting.
Yeah.
And then you could disable it without removing, without
Uh-huh.
actually removing the material.
So the one that you selected was which one?
So say on shape 0.
Oh, you're on
Shape
shape
zero
0.
for-
Ah, so you can do lighting off or on.
Yes.
Ah, interesting.
Where's the directional lighting though?
Yeah. So you want to put the light more towards it, no? Yeah, there we
Oh,
go.
that looks
Oh,
really
that
good.
looks sick now. Look at that. What'd you do? No, that's too much. That's too much now. I feel like.
I just
Now it's like white. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Yeah.
Daniel, this is exactly how it's supposed to be. Okay.
Haha.
perfect. Nice.
I'm gonna scare you now. Every time.
I'm so scared.
I know.
I'll do whatever you need me to do.
Watch it. The sorries. Watch.
Oh shit.
Yeah, I like this. You guys like this? Let me know in the comments below. Because I actually do like this a lot.
Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah.
Looks good.
I think it's pretty cool. Let's see here. So we got that part. Do we need to turn it in some shape or form, or like do we need to like? Actually, it looks like it is turned to the left side, like it's flat. Do you see that?
Yeah.
Yeah. So maybe like we
I
need
can
to.
see that too.
Yeah. So we need to take this and then rotation on the x-axis is back. Oh, look at this beauty, bro. Oh,
Looks great.
dude, looks amazing. And then it's like turned to left. I feel like no. Yeah, let's go and turn to left.
Yeah, it's turned to the left a little bit.
So that's gonna be on the y-axis, right?
Yeah.
Right there, kind of like this.
Mm,
Damn,
mhm.
bro, look at that React logo, huh?
That looks good.
That looks amazing, man.
Love it. Love it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So now let's go ahead and hit export on this one.
To make sure I update the settings and stuff.
Yeah. I think everything's good on that side, right? No?
Yeah.
Yeah, I still don't know how do we do it in a way where like it increases like the zoom part of it, you know what I mean? Yeah, I don't know. So React, same thing here. We're gonna copy that thing. Duplicate this. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, there it is. Okay, let's see now. I think there it is. Oh, that's a weird camera angle.
Yeah, and no, it could be affecting it is the way your camera's positioned when you export it, I believe.
Well, I think it's because the actual camera position is weird.
Yeah,
I
the
think-
camera, how the camera's positioned affects it.
Yes, I have to set the camera. So see the camera's right there. Yeah. Add new camera maybe? Can I call this to be the official camera?
And then yeah, once you export, make sure you select that camera in the settings just so it knows which
You can
camera
do
to
that?
reference. Yeah.
Yeah. So let's go ahead and zoom in on this thing. How do I set this as a new? Yeah, is this good?
So yeah, I think that's good. What you can
Yeah.
do is export if you think it's good. Oh shit.
Sorry, I'm just playing around with this camera thing here.
Oh no, you're good, you're good. Yeah.
Snapping. What is this snapping to the object? That's interesting. Snapping here.
So snapping to objects, so like when you rotate, the camera will always have the object in focus.
By the way, I finally figured out what look, you see, if you look at this thing,
Yes.
I think I finally figured out what this No, not this one. Nope. Nope. I think it's this part right here. You see how this is round right here? Look at this. Watch this. You see how this is like round like this?
Yeah.
You see how there's like this is like very like concrete shape versus like this has a roundedness around it. Do you see that? That's what the bevel does. So look.
Like it smooths out the edges. And shit.
Smooths out the
It does,
edges.
like,
Exactly. See that? This is not smooth out. I actually kind of like it not smoothed out. I think this is pretty good.
Yeah, I think that's good too. That's cool
Yeah.
though. That's cool.
Yeah.
Good to know.
So there's a camera. Now we do export. And how do you export it with this camera is my question here. Ah, the official one.
Yeah,
Bro. Daniel was smart.
exactly. Let's see. Better.
Nice. Look at that, bro. And look how big it is actually too. Like
Maybe we go back to the GitHub
I think
icon
yeah, I
too.
think it has to do with a lot with the camera stuff too. You know what I mean?
Yeah, 100%.
Like we do not need to make this to be don't need this to be like 300 pixels. Let's see. With
Maybe even the height. Maybe.
oh no, see it's decreasing as we do it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Like I don't know how to make it so that it fills up the whole canvas. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, do you have to have the camera so up there?
Mm,
Is that what it is?
but I wouldn't know. Like I
No.
know the camera kind of it does affect like the way it's perceived.
Because like here, let's put this in the center here. So position here. So I'm gonna try and zoom in. Okay, I'm trying to zoom in as much as I possibly can, like this. Does that feel centered to you?
I think that's good. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So maybe that's the new camera. Right there. There we go. Now it has to export again. Update code export. There's so much for us to still learn, man, honestly.
Oh yeah. There's gonna be a ton.
Yeah, always.
Yeah.
Oh, see? It does.
Holy shit.
But now it's a bit out of the spectrum. Look at this.
That's better though.
Don't know how does it decide that. That's the part I don't know necessarily. So I think let's maybe make it a little bit out. Let's make it go out a little bit here.
Yeah. Just
So,
a tad bit.
boom.
But
Just that one.
I think
Boom. Boom. Just that one right there.
mm,
Update code export. Refresh that. Bam, look at that. That's
that's
beautiful. huh?
solid.
That's solid. So now this is cool. Is like because now like it reacts very nicely to look at this. Dude, it's such
Nice.
I like how it reacts now too. Dude, that's beautiful.
There we go.
That's so beautiful, bro. 200.
Nice. That looks so good.
200. Dude, that looks sick. No?
That looks good.
So
Man,
let's-
we need to fix that GitHub icon. It's
I
getting
know.
put to shame right now.
those guys suck. So we need to do
But
for these guys. We need to do bottom instead. We need to do bottom. Like
Yeah.
bottom, like what? 10 pixels.
Yeah.
Wait, I'm modifying.
Oh, that's
Wait, what the hell?
yeah. Oh, are you're highlighting?
I'm so
I
confused
think
right
it's
now.
below it. Or is it not?
That makes no
Oh,
sense.
what's going on?
What's going on here? Da-dun. So there it is. Ah, I know why. I shouldn't change this. I should change it like this.
Yep.
Like this.
Mm-hmm.
Right there. There we go. That makes it better, right?
Mm-hmm. Way better than you change the height there as well.
There we go. And now we do top. auto bottom 10 pixels. There we go. Right. Left is auto, actually. There we go. That looks pretty good, actually, no?
Yeah, I think that looks great.
Kind of like that, actually, honestly. Kind of like how it's like half there, half not. Like this.
Mm-hmm.
No?
No, I like it.
Bottom 10 pixels, right 20 pixels is what I'm thinking here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so let's do that then. So it was 200 by 200, correct?
Yes.
And it's not top. It was bottom. Right. Yeah. Okay. There it is. Nice, bro. Look at that.
Looks awesome. Sweet.
I like that. That's sick. So now maybe we need to modify these a little bit, make this a little bit better.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. What is the other ones that are left pretty much for us? Which ones are left?
Looks so good. Let's see. So it looks like it's that coin and then the camera. The camera is gonna be something that Spline gives us by default that we can pull from the library.
Mm-hmm.
The coin, no, I don't think they have it. They have a coin model, but it has like a different symbol on it, and obviously we can't just like
Gotcha.
map over it. But,
Gotcha.
so that one we might have to create.
For the coin, how do we create the coin, bro?
There's one way.
Do you know if they have a coin?
I haven't seen a coin example that they built out in there. They don't. I feel like but I haven't seen anything coin related.
No.
Yeah, but I do know of a potential way of creating a coin.
Yeah.
We can make the coin. You know what? I know exactly how we can do it.
Yeah.
We could just start up a new file, and I could show you like.
Okay, let's do it. So do you want me to duplicate any of these or no?
This one's more from scratch, so we don't really need to duplicate them. I think
Okay,
we
so just
create a
new file.
Yeah.
Let me go ahead and share this with you. What are we doing? 3D icon, right?
Yeah, 3D icon. And it doesn't matter because I can delete things as I need and just replace them.
Boom.
So that looks good.
There we go.
Sick. There we go. Open. I am in. Okay, so we're good. So honestly, what I am gonna do is I'm gonna probably just delete this icon since I know it's gonna be kind of like a scratch thing.
Yeah.
First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create an ellipse. Of course, I'll fix its rotation so that it's facing up as it should.
Mm-hmm.
And then I'm gonna make sure it's centered. So I'm gonna change its position all to 0. Now that we got that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna scale it up just a bit, so we have a good amount of size to work with. And
Nice. Nice.
Of course,
Are you sure the position is 0, 0? Okay, now it's 0, 0, yeah.
Yeah, no, 0, 0. Yeah, that's exactly what I was doing because when you scale it up, it'll kind of.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
don't know why it throws off its position like that, but
I think there's like if you probably click on it, like let me try this. If you hit all, you see, there we go. You see, so if I do Command Option, yeah, there we go. Oh wait, no, that stretches it actually.
What was that? You said Command Option.
See, if I do Shift, it tries to enlarge it, but if I do Shift and then the Option, I believe, Yeah, it's shift option, bro.
Shift option.
Yeah, so try that.
Gotcha.
You'll see it.
Oh yeah.
There we
That's
go, see?
sick. Okay.
Yeah. It's called
Using
it's shift
standard.
option.
Okay, cool. Yeah, thank you for that one. That's pretty sweet.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I'll probably just scale it down just a tad bit like there. And then what I'm gonna do is we could start playing with colors. We could change it, and then I might try to introduce something that's cool that might give it like a cool metallic coin look.
Mm-hmm.
I want to see how that works. So I'm gonna get rid of color. So it's gonna look invisible for right now. So what I did was I just got rid of the color on it, which is okay. I'm gonna apply a different kind of material. So actually, we'll add the color back. I believe it's called matte cap. So that, and then
Oh, what is this?
gold, and then
Oh, so he's
it's a
adding this
special kind of texture.
So it's called matte cap.
Matte cap, yeah. It's a special type of material that kind of like fits the shape of the object. Like it allows you to do cool things like this to
Wow,
get like
look at
cool metallic
that.
effects.
Wow.
Yeah, it's pretty sweet.
Wow,
And
that's
then
awesome.
what we can do is we can extrude it.
Yeah, so gonna extrude that shit.
There
we go.
So how much? It was 12, but I know this coin's actually pretty large in size.
I think, and can you make it an indent in the coin? Is that possible? How do we do that?
Yes,
Do you know?
I'm gonna show you how we can look into doing that. So I'm gonna extrude it a little bit more. See, maybe a tiny bit more. There you go. I think that's good. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna utilize merging geometries so that we can create the extrusion. It's something you can't just do with just a single coin. You have to do some tricks with it. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna duplicate it, and then what I did was I did Command D, and it, you know how that one usually duplicates items.
Yeah.
I did that.
Uh-huh.
What I'm gonna do is now, using that new trick you showed me to scale it down so I could keep it centered, I'm just gonna scale it down. So like that.
Okay.
Just so it's smaller to be about the size of the indent.
Okay.
And then to control how big I want this indent to be, I'm gonna change the extrusion of this middle one. So I look at it, and that's the extrusion of the little one. It will determine how much of the big one will get cut out.
Will
so
get
like,
cut out
I made
basically down. Gotcha.
Exactly.
Gotcha.
And to make it actually easy to reference, so I know that I have it positioned right, is I'm gonna switch the material for the second one to just a color so I can see it more easily. So they're not blending in, because when they're blending in, it actually makes it pretty hard to see.
So what did you change? So you, in this next one, this other one?
Yeah, I just changed the color.
Okay.
And that's okay, because this changing the color, it's not gonna affect it. This is just so I could easily see it when I'm placing it right now.
Gotcha. Makes sense. Yeah.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna place it in
inside.
Yeah.
Oh.
And I'm gonna combine them so that it extrudes it out, if I'm not mistaken. So I forget which one it is. I don't know if it's not that one. It's that one.
Oh. Oh shit. That looks. Look at that, guys. Oh. Wow. That looks awesome.
And it has that nice gold, like it has a nice shininess to it.
Yeah,
so
nice
like,
gold shininess.
To me, that's what I think of when I think of a coin. That's kind of like what I was going for the design. And then yeah, it's a cool single-sided coin. And then what we can do is we could just pull in an SVG of like the Ethereum logo, and then just add it to the middle.
So let's get the Ethereum logo up in here. Hold on.
But yeah.
Dude, this is so much fun, like making these 3D objects.
Yeah, it's actually crazy because like of how powerful Spline is, and then like like
should we make that to be black and white? Yeah.
Yeah, I think we do. We
like
could do a white one, or white one. I think would be easier to see.
Yeah. So I believe like this. It is gonna be black and white either way. I believe. No. I believe when you do go into SVG mode.
SVG, go for it.
I think.
Oh wait, you could change the color. Oh shit.
Yeah. Oh shit, that's
cool.
awesome. No way.
I can't say it's actually pretty good.
Dude, that's awesome. Let's try this one. Hold on. See, this one's completely black. Do you see? So this one's like I don't think this one's too interesting, honestly. Sorry, hold on. Ethereum logo. Dun, dun,
No,
dun.
you're good. Yeah, this is cool.
Yeah, I think this one.
That one's good. Yeah, I think that's perfect.
Download it. SVG. Download. Oh. Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Do you hear the music at all or no?
I hear it. It's pretty low, but I can hear it.
How about now? That's better.
That's
Right?
better. It's not too loud, but it's like at a perfect volume. But I can hear it pretty good.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, that's good. I like the way it sounds.
Yeah, there we go. Okay, so we got the SVG now. Where are we at? Oh, here it is. There we go. Okay, and it's the same thing as the other one. It's got those different shapes, man. Look.
Yeah. Oh, it does.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Do you see it?
That's cool though that it gives you access to each individual part, so they have more control over things. But I know
Yeah.
it could be. It's tedious.
So now we do option. Oh, that just looks weird.
Whoa.
What the hell happened
Yeah,
with this one?
something's up.
That's weird, bro. It's like there's not enough. Feels like there's like not enough shapes here. No? Right? No?
Yeah, no,
looks
it
weird.
definitely does feel off. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay, anyways. Let's try something else.
Yeah.
Try this one.
Mm-hmm.
We can change the color of this one. Oh no, SVG. There we go.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'll try this one in that case. Yeah, forget this one. Delete this one. Yeah. Okay, did I do it? Okay, there's it.
Yeah, pull it forward. There we go.
Ah, this one looks
That
just pretty
looks
good.
That looks good.
Look at that. Still a bit
Nice.
awkward though, I will say.
Yeah. Why are they looking awkward?
I think because the shape is weird, but I think we can fill it in more. Let's see.
Yes, yes.
Like, yeah, I think it's like shape 1. So you have the top and the bottom shape. So the top shape, I think this has to do with the subdivision thingy. No?
Check it out.
No, actually no. Let's go
No,
extrusion.
yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Mm-hmm. Let me see.
This extrusion is humongous. Actually, the extrusion looks pretty good. Kind of like it.
Yeah, it's not bad. Not bad.
Let's make the color, maybe, should we give it like a color? And there's no lighting on this one too, looks like.
Mm-hmm.
What should the lighting be? What do you think?
Yeah, if we want to add more depth to it, of course, we could, of course, apply lighting.
Yeah, so the color should be white, no? Like
Oh, yeah,
this?
yeah, yeah. For the icon. Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, that's a huge, look at that shit. Wow,
Uh-huh.
that's way too much. 3, 2. Oh my goodness. Why is
There's
this
no
so
way to
much?
figure out that.
Why is this so much in the exclusion side? Huh? It's like
have
almost like
no
it has to be like 0 almost, it feels like. That's already a 1. But that looks pretty good though, I will say.
It's not bad. But why
I'm curious if we
so
can do like
low?
0.5. Is that possible?
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah, you can.
Looks like you. Jeez.
Right?
Why so?
I'm like, damn.
Okay. I mean, you could play around with the values to see if you see something that's a little bit better.
Yeah.
But point values are definitely working.
Yeah, so let's make the color here white again as well. Extrusion as well. Here's 0.5. Boom. Like this.
Nice. Oh, okay. Oh, I gotta change the top extrusion to 0.5 because I think I have it at 0.2. There we
Wait.
go.
Oh yeah, 0.5. There we go.
Because I had a different value of extrusion.
I did.
Yeah. But that's not bad. Not bad.
That's not too bad. I guess you can say that. Like, yeah. It's not too bad, I would say.
Let me test something out. I don't know if it's just because it's with the specific icons.
Yeah, I think it's the icon. I think it's the icon. What you trying to do?
Check out the different icons. Just see what if they're gonna react the same.
Oh. So here's kind of what I have.
I think that's better than what the other one was doing.
I think you just put the excursion to be, I think it's to be like 0.2, I think. Or 0.3 even.
Yeah, because I don't think it's needed to be that crazy large.
There we go. Yeah? Dude, this looks sick.
Yeah.
Can I just say
It
that
looks
looks
good.
awesome, bro?
It looks awesome. I love it.
Yeah, this looks fucking amazing. Wow.
Yeah, I'm happy with it for sure.
Yeah, so let's position it. Let's position this. There we go. So can you position to be 0, 0? What is this? Oh, so should we group these or something or no?
We can. I think they kind of already are grouped in a way, right? With the main container. Or are they not?
Adia's like, great work, guys. Thank you.
Thank you very much. But yeah, it looks great.
Yeah, I think now we need to make it a little bit more like 3-dimensional. So we need to initially, you gotta like turn it. Feels like to the right side. It feels like no.
Oh yeah.
Turn it out. Turn it back, basically. Let me see here.
What did you say you wanted to make the? Oh, you already did make the extrusion a little smaller. Got it.
I did. I already made it smaller. See? Yes, it's much
That's
more tinier.
insane. How thick it is? Like at 0.3. That's hilarious.
Yeah. Yeah.
I think that's good though.
Yeah. So let me merge these.
Go for it.
Group selection.
Just gonna go do something really quickly.
So rotate that shit, right? Over x-axis. No, not this is this
Yep.
backwards. And then I think inside here, it's actually like turned. It feels like. I don't know how to turn it though. Like, how do you turn it sideways? Like this.
Turn it sideways.
Like this.
Let's see.
I know. What do you think about the view? What view is the best view? What view is the view that says, hey, this is a coin? I think like this is okay.
Oh yeah.
Let's see here.
Like that light is really bright on
How about like that? No? Trying to figure out the light here.
Yeah, just look, because I don't want to be like too bright on one side. I don't know if it should just be facing. There we go. I think that looks good.
Yeah.
I like the way that's kind of like.
I like that
oriented.
too, actually. I like that too as well. So now let's
Yeah.
let's try to modify this camera here. There we go.
Yeah.
So camera here as far as I possibly can, man. Boom. There we go. Yeah,
Yeah, I think it's good.
that's good. Export it.
Mm.
There we go. Yeah, there we go. Personal camera. Oh yeah, let's create a new camera here actually. Right
sure.
now, I don't know how to create a camera here actually, honestly. Oh, there it is. New camera. Yeah. Official.
Nice. That looks good.
There we go. No? Yeah.
Yeah.
Dun, 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 dun,
Actually,
dun.
Let me test.
What are you trying to do?
Okay, so do you see when I turn off the light? Do you see like how the coin still looks shiny?
Yeah, but the colors, the white color is not there anymore. Yeah.
Well, that makes sense. That makes sense though why that's not displaying.
Yeah.
So I'm using what's called matte cap material. Matte cap materials don't get affected by light because what's cool about these kinds of textures is the
Yeah.
light's baked into them. So like they have like fake
Ah.
lighting like injected into the texture. That's one like cool optimization thing that I've seen a lot of 3D devs do is like bake shadows and shit, like do some crazy stuff where they already know how the lighting's gonna be situated, where they know it won't have to be dynamic and things like that.
That's
So
interesting.
they can use things like baked lighting and textures
Mm-hmm.
so that it's more optimized basically. There's a lot of optimization tricks and techniques within 3D that people can implement to make it smooth.
Interesting. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. I like that.
So yeah, we need the lighting of course for the icon. So when I was switching it around, it was actually not switching the lighting at all on the matte cap.
Gotcha. So now we
which
go
makes
ahead.
sense.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So now we go ahead and export this. So take that URL. Same thing here. Same thing as this here, pretty much. Copy this. Boom.
Nice.
Boom. We're getting really good with this stuff now. I feel like.
Yeah, I feel like we're getting better with the flow of things and
Yeah.
getting it set up.
It's all about that practice, you guys. It's the boring
really is.
practice that nobody really sees.
Yes, because there's so much that goes into learning.
It's
these
like the
things, so as-
minute things, the minute details that take up the most amount of time ever, you know?
Haha. Dang, that icon. You added the icon, right?
Yeah, I need to refresh it.
It's huge.
Oh, what the hell is this?
It's huge. It zoomed in like
How?
crazy.
Oh,
Oh,
I
then
know
yeah,
why. Oh. Ay, ay, ay. Daniel. Pff, pff. Daniel. Pff.
Remove
Wait, no,
BGM,
but it's using
actually.
the official camera.
Turn out the BG color on that too, and then
Hide. Oh, that
Yeah,
was the.
hide.
That's how we should have done the. Bro, no.
do we want auto zoom?
Yeah. That's it. Just
Yeah.
that.
Update it.
Update.
See what it looks like.
There we go. Refresh this thing. This is why, Daniel, we do duplicates.
There we go.
Hey, baby, let's go! Okay, so obviously that's not where it should be.
It looks sick. Obviously, but yeah.
Yeah.
I want to get back to the GitHub icon and fix that thing. Just
You wanna try and fix the GitHub icon?
Hmm?
You wanna go ahead and fix the GitHub icon while I'll fix this one?
yeah. Go for it.
Yeah, go ahead and fix the GitHub icon while I'll fix this one. Okay, let me change this one
Let's see.
here. Inspect. I want to modify the width and height are fine. I need to modify the right. So actually it's gonna be a right like 50 pixels. No. 200 pixels. Width.
I'll rename mine official camera as well. What's the size of this thing? I feel like it's really small.
Height of 150 pixels. There we go. I think the React logo needs to be a little bit more. Yeah, so width. So 300 pixels right. Width 150. That's this one. So let's see here. Okay, good. So 300, width 150, height 150. 150. Oops, nope. 150 pixels. Height of 150 pixels. Okay, right. 200 pixels.
Oh wait, yeah, I changed. No, it is on this. Oh, there we go. I just saw it like 15 minutes.
There we go. Refresh this. Ah, that's your. Oh my goodness. What did you do?
It's slow on my side because it's totally not updating for me. Am I looking at the right thing? So definitely
React logo.
updated for you.
No, you have to refresh. You have to open up a new thing. You have to just refresh the page every time.
I know. Okay, let's see. Because I wouldn't click on the little refresh icon. It's still the same thing for me. And I opened up.
Let's see. Nice. Starting to like this.
Nice. I need to reopen Code Sandbox.
Yeah, that GitHub needs to be a little bit smaller, bro.
I know. I would change it if I could see it.
What do you mean? You can't see it at all?
I can't see like how it's enlarged for you. It's not showing that on the website for me at all, which is kind of.
Even if you click on the open a new tab?
Let me try because I just reopened up my Code Sandbox.
Yeah.
Let me see if I get any errors. Yeah, because it's like loading like really slow. Oh, unresponsive. There we go.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
There we go. Beautiful.
Oh, computer is going through it right now.
Computer is like, you're killing me. No, don't
I
kill
know.
me. I can't do this anymore.
Okay, now I'll mess with its size.
Yeah.
But that looks so much better now. Actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We just need to like somehow properly like structure them where like they look, they look good, you know.
Yeah, for sure.
And then I think there's one more logo that's missing here pretty much, right? That's like this logo.
Actually, yeah. Because it might get a little bit bigger. I just want to make sure it fits basically the whole size of the container.
What is it, Daniel?
So I'm just gonna make it a little bit bigger just so that I know that the icon fits the entire container, and then I could just resize it.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine.
So it's just gonna look a little bit bigger.
Dun 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 dun. Okay, I think the only thing that's left from spline side is to bring in that other weird icon. You know the one I'm talking about?
Which one? Oh, the camera?
The camera. And I think they actually have the camera, no?
Yeah. The camera. So all you can do is you open up a new file, just so it makes it easier. So you have to like, or you can use one of those cameras. You can just change the colors. But they have a default. If you want the exact one,
So
you
let's
could
just say, so new file, and then you said there's a default camera.
there's if you look on the left, there should be library, like on the left side where you would see like all the structure at the bottom.
Yeah.
I don't know if it lets you. There you go. And then you
Ah,
can search that
there
camera.
it is. Red Bull, bro. That's awesome.
There's a lot of cool like basic
Mhm.
3D stuff, assets they give you.
There's
And
the
boom,
camera,
it's
by the
that
way.
lo- Yeah,
There's the
that's the
camera.
exact one. Yeah. So,
Wow,
yeah,
look
there
at
you go.
that. Would you look at that? I think it's a bit too big. I think the extrusion
yeah.
here is a bit too big, though. Only thing I don't like about this one.
Mm.
Look at just extrusion. It's way too huge.
It's a good opportunity to like start playing around with stuff, and then you could like just play around with the. I don't know what the bigger one is called.
Ah, it's called the camera. So the extrusion here is this one. Flat. Wait, how does this even work?
Show me.
Do I have to go like this?
Do they not give you an option?
For extrusion? No.
Oh.
No. Oh, no, there is. It's called the size.
You're just changing the depth.
That's interesting.
So, yeah,
So,
because it's a cube,
yeah.
there's a width, height, depth. You're just changing the depth, like what you would do on the Z, and then you're just shrinking it on the Z.
uh-huh.
So you're probably just scaling it down on. You could be like scaling it down on the Z. Is the scale changing when you do that?
Yeah.
That makes sense. Okay. Yeah, you're just scaling it down on that specific axis.
I know
and
what this
shrinks it.
paper is for.
Me either. Wait, go to the back. I don't know if it was for the back, but yeah. Honestly, what's cool about 3D models is like to make them really optimized is you just forget the internal parts because you don't see the internal parts anyway. So like, what's the point of having those if you can't see
Oh,
them?
look, you just made it smaller. I feel like, no? Look.
It looks like it's squished down a little, so you could probably scale it up on the Y a little bit. You could just kind of play around till you get to the like right
Yeah.
values for it.
Mm-hmm. So I think that what I need to do is, there we go. There we go. That means I need to move these other things now. Oh my goodness.
Let's do like 40%. No, 40% is too low.
Boom.
50, I say like 55%. Actually, no. Feel like a bit more. That could be lower a little bit. Yeah, I think once we lower the Twitter icon just a little bit more, because I think it's just a little too high still, but
Bro, I want to fucking get some good songs. But I'm just
Me
afraid
too,
because
me
everything
too.
is pretty much like, you know,
copyright.
copyrighted.
Yeah. Which is
But
valid,
I did
so-
it though. Look, I did it, bro.
Let's see. Nice, that looks good.
And I'm gonna move this button
good.
too.
Let's see.
Pretty happy with it, guys. Yeah.
Yeah, I think once we get we're getting their sizes right. We just position them to a little bit more precision, and I think they'll be good. Where am I at? Maybe in the header.
What's the position supposed to be like? Do you know? Let me see here. It should be like pointing down, it feels like to me.
Which icon is the fucking the GitHub icon?
Oh, okay, no, I got you, bro. Hold on, ready? It's the one. I don't even fucking know, honestly.
That's
I think it's the
exactly what
second one. It's because I remember the order that I put them in. It's the second one. Is what I remember.
Gotcha. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Give them IDs or something, just something to easily more reference on. Okay, so I know that one's that. Okay, so width 2, and then what make this 18% on the top, and then on the left
we
it's
go.
about 54%.
There we go. So we got that one. Now what I'm gonna do here is this gonna be the main camera right here, guys. I'm gonna add a new camera here. Make this the official one.
This is kind of like angle. And
What's going on?
perspective. I might update the angle in it on the spline file because I feel like it's kind of lost.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dun. Okay, so now I'm gonna rotate this thing. So it needs to rotate like down, from my understanding. Oh, it's starting to look really good. Actually, I kind of like that position, by the way. Whatever you just did looks really good. I don't know what you just did, but that looks pretty good, honestly.
Yeah, I just changed it up. I think we just need to push the Twitter icon down.
You think so?
Like yeah, it's pretty far down because I feel like it's higher up if you look at the position of the Twitter icon.
Okay, gotcha. So let me tune this one down. Someone said, can this work in HTML? Yes. This is made for
Yeah, you can use it for
HTML.
vanilla, like with vanilla JavaScript as well.
But you need JS.
Yeah.
You do need JavaScript though. Somebody said, does this work for HTML? Yes, it does, but you do need JavaScript.
Yes.
So like, for
Because
example, like this
my-
here. So what I do here is I take this, I rotate this on the x-axis. So here it does means down. The z-axis means to the left. Y-axis means like that. There we go. So that's kind of how I see it. Right? That's kind of what's going on here.
Mhm. Yeah,
Feels
it's like it's looking down.
Yep,
Like to
that's
the
perfect,
left.
dude. I just got it perfectly. Look at this. I'm a genius.
Shit. Look at you, man.
Yeah, man. I'm a genius, man. Don't never, you know. Yeah. I'm a fucking genius. There we go.
Yeah, I think the Twitter icon, I feel like we need to update the export to fit the canvas too, because I feel like unless that's just me.
Okay, now I can export this. Export this. Select code. Play settings. Official camera. That's the one. BG color hide. Page scroll no. Order no. Self orbit. Auto zoom yes. Yes, there we go. That's it.
Yeah, I'm gonna
What does
update
logo?
that.
But what does logo mean? Are they talking about like logo of like spline?
Spline, yes. I think if you want to remove
Ah,
that,
you gotta
have to-
pay the money for that. Oh.
I know. I'm paying for Spline right now, so
Oh, but I don't see no logos though.
yeah, me either. I don't know what they're talking.
So I don't know what they're talking about.
Yeah, I'm in the same boat.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna update the export for Twitter because I feel like it
Dun.
hasn't been zoomed in like it should.
You can actually give it a class name, if like Twitter, for example, so you know which one's
That's what I was
which.
thinking too. I
Yeah.
think Twitter is it the. That's not gonna tell you. So we know the second one was GitHub, yeah. Which I'll set right now.
Okay, and I'm gonna export this new one here. There we go. Okay, I'm liking this so far. I'm liking this so far, you guys. What's a good song here? Epidemic song sucks. Oh my god, this is horrible, man.
Twitter icon is about to look insane right now. If I fucking pick up
Oh,
the
Latin music,
side.
bro. Okay, lo-fi. I think lo-fi they got at least. Lo-fi they can do. I know that for sure. You know?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. Alright, so we're good on that side. Somebody asked, can you do this in JavaScript at some point? Yeah, why not? At some point we definitely could. Why not? But right now, if you want to try this out, it's fairly easy in Spline. If you want to take a look at it, it's fairly simple. Oh, there's our... Look at this. Look at that beautiful little... Pff, Lazada, you're so awesome. So the width needs to change here on this one, actually. I'm going to call this the camera icon. Not camera, camera. Yeah, it's beautiful. Camera icon. There we go. And then change the width of that camera icon. What are you still doing, Daniel, by the way?
I'm just adjusting things. I'm making the Twitter icon fit this, basically fit the canvas, fit the container, because it's actually pretty small compared to the container. So I'm just adjusting that. The GitHub icon's good. I think just adjust the size of the Twitter icon, and I'm gonna position it down a little more. And then yeah, I think that should be pretty good.
Oh, look at that! Look at that! Look what I got, bro. You don't have what I have. Can't touch me. You can't handle this, bro. This just too good.
I love it. Okay, there we go.
Whoa, that Twitter icon is way too big.
Oh, now it adjusts on me. Fuck, it's so slow on my side.
Yeah, my computer's slow. That's why.
Why?
Problem is not you. It's not the problem. Is not the computer. It's you.
Yeah.
No, most likely. So we're gonna do top here, not bottom, but top. Top 10 pixels. Like this. Top right is going to be right, what, 20 pixels? Let's try that. There we go. Hey, nice. Nice. So 150. I think it's still a bit too big though. I think it's gonna be like 150 by 100 by 100 pixels. There we go.
Looks like it's fitting the container, but it's just huge as hell.
Yeah, Twitter icons. Yeah, the what you do is you change the width and the height of your box. That's it.
Oh yeah, I know that, but it's not updating for me. Like, it's the Spline file to reflect updates on my side of Code Sandbox is so slow.
Really?
So I'm the reason why I can see it big is because I'm watching your Zoom.
Nice, bro. That's what I'm talking about. Here, let me refresh it for you.
Code Sandbox has been like so hard to work with.
It's like, yeah.
Oh.
So you see, it's still too large, man. You see?
Well, yeah. I just haven't been able to edit it.
There you go. Let's refresh that too.
Like I have to like completely close out my stuff and then reopen it. Just for it to
Telling you, it's
show.
your laptop, man.
It's called Sandbox.
Nope.
No, it's
It's your laptop.
please.
70. No, more. Top is 80, 90. Let's just say maybe even 100. Let's see. Dude, if we just make the Twitter icon smaller, this is gonna be a really good looking site.
Twitter, we gotta make Twitter stand out though, so it's gonna be a little bit.
Oh
bigger.
yeah. Okay, my camera icon is ready. Daniel, I don't know what you're doing now. You gotta stop. You gotta stop screwing around. Right, Daniel?
Yeah.
No more screwing around, Daniel.
Your spline code.
No more screwing around, Daniel.
That soundbox sucks right now.
It's not the code sandbox, okay?
They give you like 8 gigabytes of RAM to use. That sucks.
That's plenty enough.
I got 32 gigs for.
That wasn't me. That was the big brother talking.
Big brother's scary, man.
I know.
It's watching you. That's right, and you too. Viewer.
Stalking me.
So to find these 3D icons, all you need to do is use Spline. Okay? So if you go to the Spline, you go log in, then at that point, all you do is you create a new Spline account, and they actually have a lot of different icons for you. So for example, if we go to Spline here, I know my voice could be a little bit intimidating here, but that's okay. We create a new file. Nice. And then just select like this library right here. So you'll see it right there, this library. Okay, just click that. Let's go ahead and click that. And boom, there we go. There's all your icons. So you got these 3D icons. You can just go through them. And yeah. So you've got the envelope and you got a folder, you got like a handle, a camera, you know, there you go. Hopefully that helps. And then to create your own, you can actually import an SVG. So go to like icons8.com, there we go. Type in an icon that you want, like let's just say JavaScript, yeah, right there. Just type that in, right? Yeah. And then, like let's just say we take this icon right here. We take this, we download the SVG. There we go. And then, so here's our SVG. We go back to Spline here. Awesome. We now put the SVG into Spline. So fairly simple. And you'll notice that now I can go around this icon. I can make this icon bigger. Oops, hold on. Boom, boom, boom. There we go. Forget this whole thing in the background. Let me see here. This thing is weird. This right thing. I don't like this right thing. There we go. Boom, bada bang. So, okay. So you see how it's flat, right? It's flat because it's a picture. To make it not flat, all you do is, let me see here. We click on that little thing. Actually, we click on the shape. And then you do extrude. Oh, there we go. See? So now we're extruding, meaning we're making it bigger. So I'm going to say 0.5. Boom. There we go. The next one, also 0.5. Boom. Done. Next one, also 0.5. Boom. Done. And there we go. Simple. There you go. Now you got a 3D icon. And then you can turn it, you can twist it, you can do whatever you want with it. Right? Hopefully that makes sense. Yeah. It's pretty cool. Wait, I lost myself. How do I get back? There we go. Awesome. So anyway, guys, hope you guys enjoyed that.
That was a small little tutorial for you.
Is this the little brother?
Yeah, that's the little brother. Okay, Danielle, you're done now or no?
I'm gonna need you to change the fucking position because it's not working for me.
Oh, look, come on, look. It's not that hard. Look. There we go. You see? No, it's still not good.
I made it smaller.
Yeah, but the position still sucks. So let me just do it, okay? Let me just do it. Everybody in the comments say Daniel is so cool. All right. Okay, so we're good with that. So let me see here. I'm gonna go inspect element here. There we go. Click on this one. Okay, so we're gonna do what is the current top? Top 65%. Top 65%. Top. Should we put it down more? Yeah?
Yeah, I was thinking put it down more and then
Okay.
just a tad bit more to the right.
So
And then we could even make it, I think, just a little bit smaller, unless you think
no,
that's
I
a
think it's
pretty
good.
size.
I think it's good. I think it's good.
Good size,
40%. There we go. What do you think? No? No good?
That's good. That's good in terms of like the top. I think we move it over just a little bit more
the right?
Like, I mean, just a little bit more.
Okay, so
I think it'll be good.
so left is 67%.
Could
Left
probably do left about. Probably do
percent. There we go. More? Like that?
about 70. I think 70. I think would
70.
be good. Like to
Daniel
There we
says
go.
70, so it's
70.
Daniel's
That
gonna hate
look-
me after this.
No, this is a good challenge. It's a good challenge.
No, I mean I'm talking about the voice, but yeah, that too.
Oh, I was talking about that too.
Okay, so 40%? No, not 50, 40. 40,
We
and
go
then
about 40.
left is 70%. There we go. Left is 70%. Awesome. You gotta have fun in life, okay? So enjoy it while you can.
Always.
Exactly. So left 70%. There we go. Hit refresh. I think it's gonna look good. Now I think we should put this down a little bit more.
Yeah.
Think. Yeah. What do you think?
I think so too. Yeah.
Yeah. Let's do that. So we're gonna do for this one top. Maybe top like 150, and then right of like 40. There we go. Yeah. Okay. So it's so weird in my head because like I'm talking, but I'm hearing like a different voice, and so my head, my
Yeah.
brain is like, what the hell? Like that's not actually me, you know? Like, it's the weirdest
Is there-
feeling ever.
I know you're hearing yourself, but in a completely different tone. That makes it even worse.
Yeah, like I don't hear my actual voice because I have my headphones. I hear this
Yeah.
voice.
So good. It's just so good.
I know, it's funny. It's funny. So, anyways, everybody, so there we go. This is looking really good, man. No?
I think for part 6, we've come pretty far. I mean,
Yeah,
we're
we've
implementing
done-
3D stuff.
We've gone pretty
a lot
far,
of good
I'd
shit.
say so. We have this part, we have this part. I think there's one last thing we can do, okay, Daniel?
What are you thinking?
Okay,
What are you
there's
thinking?
one last thing. This reminds me of like this show, okay? Like a really cute show, okay? Do you remember that show?
What show?
I don't know the show name, but it was so cute.
That's so helpful. Let's do it.
So I want to do this one to view my resume, okay? This one. Pretty simple, no? Daniel,
Yes.
let's do this one,
Oh, yes.
okay? The view my resume, okay?
Oh yeah, we could use that one thing I created. to
Yeah,
do it,
exactly.
too.
And you know how to do the background with the linear gradient. It's pretty simple, right?
Yeah. I think we created a component for it too, so you don't have to recreate all that.
And you actually you just mask it, right? Is that what it's called, I believe?
So
Or
if
is
we
it
go
background
back to the
linear
code.
gradient?
Oh, well, it's like a mix of things. So
Okay, great.
there's a highlight component.
Okay, show me what it is. Where is it? Show me.
If you go to the left side, you see where it says components?
Okay,
Go to highlight.
Okay,
go
go
to-
highlight. Okay.
It's a pretty. It's at the bottom. It's a pretty cool one.
Oh, damn. Let's go.
So it has all the stuff that we need. We just pass in the text to it.
Wow. Wait, no. You think so? Oh, right, you did, because this is the same thing. Oh my goodness, Daniel. I could not believe this. This is so cool. Okay, so let's go to the header. Okay, let's go to the header. Okay, so then
Okay.
underneath, actually no, it's not the header. It's
Is it in the CTA?
no, it's
Or where is it?
page.tsx. We're here.
Oh, it's a bio. Oh,
It's a
okay.
bio. Yeah. So actually, we have to go into the bio here.
Okay.
There we go. This is our div class name, a bio description. There we go. And now,
Someone said just join. What the fuck is going on?
that's right. Welcome to our live stream where we are building a 3D modern portfolio. Okay, so here's how it's supposed to look like. Again, this is like my third damn time showing this today. So here's a 3D modern portfolio. This is how it's supposed to look like. We've been building this for the past 6 parts, guys. Okay, this is part 6 at this point of the video. Again, the point here is for us to learn and for you to learn. And then after we have built it, then we're going to actually create a full-on video from scratch to finish. Okay, from 0 to finish. So right now, this is just a fun live stream from me and Daniel. This is behind the scenes of what it takes to build something like this. So there we go.
Yep.
The boring stuff, basically, that nobody knows about.
And we're making it interesting, guys. So.
Yeah. For us,
No.
and I guess
Yes.
for you sometimes, so we'll see. So anyways, so we're gonna go div, class name, there we go, yeah.
Yep.
Equals, what should we call it? Oh, view resume, yes?
Yeah, view resume.
Beautiful,
Yeah, I think that's good.
beautiful. There we
And this is
go.
going to contain the
Damn.
text, which will be highlighted.
Nice.
It's going to be a link, right? It's just going to be a regular ink.
It's gonna be the normal link, yes.
Yeah.
So we need to import the highlight, yes? Highlight.
Yeah, the highlight. Yep.
How do I import that? Highlight?
It should be from, and then.
What's
well,
up,
bios are the-
Georgie?
What's up, Georgie?
Good to see you, Georgie.
But yeah, you just import highlight from, then you do dot backslash, since they're in the same folder. Then
No,
yeah, it
they're
should
not.
be in there.
No. Are you
Not
sure?
like that? How?
Oh, yeah, they are. Yeah, my bad.
There you go. Yeah, no, you're good.
Me dum-dum. Okay.
We're learning. We're learning.
Okay, so then we use highlight. So we're gonna use this highlight right here.
Yep.
Highlight. Close it out.
Yep.
Boom. Boom, bada
Mm.
bang, bada boom.
Boom,
So
bada
that's gonna be
bing.
view. What is it called?
View.
View my resume?
Resume, yes.
I think it's called view my. No, wait, hold on. Let me see.
No,
Yeah.
it's view my resume.
Yeah. What the hell is this thing?
It's an external link icon.
Okay, so we need to get that too. Okay.
We could just pull it from the Figma.
Yeah.
Easy.
Resume. Boom. Nice. Now, okay, let's see. Oh, it's so tiny. That's funny.
Huh.
That's cute.
But we can change that.
Okay, so how do we change it? So we need to change the font. Actually, hold on.
But we'd have to add a prop.
Yeah. No. Okay. Let me show you how to do it. Okay. This is okay. Okay.
Show me.
Watch the pro. Okay. The pro. Thank you. Glad you're enjoying this. Happy coding indeed. Just enjoy,
Thank
enjoy
you.
and have fun. That's all part of this.
So it's on chill,
Yes.
laid back, nothing crazy, just working on a
Yeah.
on a cool website.
Some lo-fi
Yeah.
beats and a person who has a weird voice.
It isn't Nas, guys.
This is probably making it worse for our viewers, but partially I just don't. I mean, I care, but I don't. I don't know. I care, but
Yeah.
it's also so much fun. So I don't know.
Yeah, it is. It's good.
Hopefully,
it's
it doesn't
really
make you guys too annoyed by us. What if your
But-
mom just comes into the door? She's like, "What is that person? What is that name? What is it? The weird sound, huh?"
Luckily, I have my headphones on. So
Yeah,
they
luckily.
can't- They can't
Luckily.
hear it right now.
Yeah. I want to be funny to watch this
that's funny.
back later on.
I swear I'll watch it back just for
Just for
hearing
the
this voice.
laughs.
Yeah, just for the laughs.
This is especially like this voice. I don't know what's about this, but anyways, view my resume.
Yeah, it's too good. It's too good. How would we increase the size of the text? Like you said, there's a
so-
way you would go.
Yeah,
about
so you
doing
have to do it like this. You have to go class name, and one of the actual props has to be class name, like this.
Really?
Yes. That's right.
Oh, are you passing it as? Oh, I see what you're doing. You're just gonna
Yeah.
add it to the class name here.
Yeah, so you say class
That's even better.
name. There we go. And then you
Oh,
say,
that's
I believe this is a
a
string.
It's just a string, yeah, because
it?
it's just gonna be a long string.
Yeah, there we go. So you
Exactly.
class name. And then I believe what you do is you go like
You
like
have
this.
to
You have to
rep
go
it in the backticks, yeah. In the
backticks.
and then
Yep, there we go.
yeah,
Yep, yep,
and
yep,
then
yep, 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 yep.
you gotta
Good job,
put it in
Daniel.
the brackets.
Nice. You remember this stuff. That's good. Good job.
I feel like I'm learning now.
Class. Wait, but that's weird. Why is it?
Oh no, you're supposed to wrap the backticks with the curly braces. When you use backticks for strings as props.
Huh?
Like this here.
Show
I'll show
me.
you. I'll show you.
Show me.
I'll go to highlight, and then
show
what I'm gonna
me,
do is
show
I'm
me, show me.
gonna grab it. You gotta define curly braces first when you define backticks.
Ah, how did I forget about this? Sorry.
There we go. Now it's good.
There we go. Okay, so anyways, good job to
Let's see.
Daniel. Good job, Daniel. So we're gonna put this class
I'm
name. And
leading
so
the charge.
now, what's really cool is that it's very simple now. It's gonna import the classmate automatically. That's right.
Yes.
I'm gonna put this as a question mark because it's optional. So
Yeah, it's
that's
optional,
part of
exactly.
TypeScript. Okay.
Yeah.
And now we go back to our page. Actually, no. Is it the page or no? It's the bio.
It's bio.
Yeah, it's the bio. So then here to this out. So now if I say
Alright.
class name and I say what size do we want? Give you a size.
Well, it's like a tailwind.
Tailwind. Okay.
Yeah.
Tailwind.
Tailwind.
Actually,
I
no,
think.
size.
Font
right here,
size.
font
Yeah.
size.
There we go.
So maybe it's like text extra large.
Yeah, I think
Let's
that's
do
good.
extra
Extra
large.
large. Let's do extra
Extra large.
large.
What do you think? Let's see. It's gonna work.
Let's see.
Oh, it did
Oh,
work.
there we
Let's
go.
go. Nazari,
worked.
let's go. Nazari,
Excel.
let's go.
I like the name of their sizes. It's so deceiving because that's not Excel.
I don't know. This, yeah. But anyways, it works, man. See?
It works.
See? Text SL.
And it appends it. That's so clean. That's so
telling you,
good.
You gotta learn from the pro. Somebody asked, is JavaScript hard? Is JavaScript
Cool.
hard to learn? Honestly, no, not that much. Just give yourself some time. Like,
Yeah.
enjoy it. That's the most important part. Like, give yourself like 4 months. Right, Daniel?
Like, yeah, it takes time. Like I've been doing this for like
Yeah.
for a while now.
Do this
It
for a
takes
long
time.
You have to treat coding like it's your next life career. And so if you're gonna do a life career for for the eternity, let's just say, and because you like it, then putting 1 year into it is actually not that much, like compared to like
Yeah.
your next 60 years, let's just say, right? Yeah.
And
so
I'm sure you got like so many years. Like there's no rush. Learn things in chunks and build projects with what you learn. That's the
Yeah.
best way you're gonna get good
exactly,
with it. Is
exactly.
mini
Just enjoy it.
projects and then big
That's the most
projects.
important part. Enjoy your learning, my friend. That's
Yes.
kind of what we're doing here, pretty much.
You just enjoy it because
Yeah.
that's the most important thing. Is not the end goal, but the journey. Like
It's
you
the
gotta really
journey.
enjoy getting there.
Exactly. And sometimes the journey is painful and you just want to crush it and you're just like,
Yeah.
screw this, I don't want this anymore. That's part of it too, actually.
Yeah.
So you have to, you have to be like, okay, why am I actually doing this? If you're doing this because you like it, then just keep doing it, basically.
And I think JavaScript is actually a really good starting point. for
And
something to
JavaScript,
learn.
yeah, exactly. JavaScript is a great starting point. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so we
Especially
gotta
for
view
websites.
my resume. We need to do a margin, Daniel, right?
Margin, yes. So I could do MT and then. Oh, I like how it shows you them right there.
Yeah.
It's like auto-completing for you.
Yeah, it's pretty
That's so
smart.
clean.
Sorry.
I think it's like IntelliSense or something, whatever Tailwind uses. It's really convenient.
Yeah, I agree. Come on, sorry. Let's do this.
Come on, let's do it. Yeah, I think that's actually a perfect size.
That's not.
Is
There's no margin here. That's so weird. Why is it doing this? I don't understand.
What's it showing over there? Is it showing?
It's like it's not putting up a margin top. I don't understand why.
How's it applying it? What does it look like in the span? Is there like
Let me see.
space between the class?
Oh, that's
Oh wait,
weird.
hold up.
Oh, because it's in a span.
Oh yeah, you need to set changes display.
Oh,
A
okay, okay.
Inline block or something.
I see. Actually, I know the answer here.
Or you could
No.
you could just change it.
No, we go like this. Watch the
Or padding?
No.
Oh.
Just yeah. Just
Valid.
watch the pro.
Yeah.
Watch the pro.
I don't know how to feel. I hear this little kid voice. He's like, "What the pro? What's the pro?" I'm like, "What?"
Just watch the pro, Daniel. Okay. The pro.
I've been watching the pro.
Okay, good. Just keep watching it. There we go.
Oh,
Okay, margin top 3. There we go. Okay, Daniel.
that looks better.
That looks really good, actually. Let's go ahead. I think it's still a bit too large, but it's okay. It's okay. We can always modify it later. It's okay. Now, somebody said I use plain CSS, but writing responsive code is so boring. Someone says I'm always using plain CSS, but writing responsive code is so boring. Are there any libraries to write responsive code easily? Yes, Tailwind
Tailwind.
CSS.
Yeah.
Yes, that's exactly
Tailwind
what we're doing
and-
right now.
Yeah, and then of course you can use certain values for your CSS that will help make
Yeah.
it more responsive. It's not
Yeah.
always just about like use it.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
So like sometimes you do have to go to do the boring work, unfortunately. Yeah.
Yes.
That's a part of.
Because I
Yeah.
know Tailwind has like breakpoint like classes in like median would be MD and it specifies a specific value
Yeah,
for that
yeah.
breakpoint.
So
So
like
yeah,
yeah.
Tailwind is a
Tailwind-
great
yeah,
library
Tailwind
for
is a
that.
great one. So like for example, let me see here.
You could probably even just search responsive, and it might
Responsive?
show you like
Is that what I search for?
yeah.
Response. There we go. There we go. See.
You
So
see the
you spe-
breakpoint
Yeah,
prefixes.
so these are the breakpoints: small, medium, large, Excel, 2XL. There we go. And then basically you just put MD colon, and then you specify what width you want, basically, or SM colon, what width you want, or SM colon, what font size you want, and so forth and so forth and so forth. So hopefully that makes sense. That's honestly the best way to do it. Yeah. But it's a struggle. It's part of it. It's part of coding.
Yeah, I don't like responsive design either.
No,
But like,
No, but you
it's
gotta
just,
do
it's
it.
just a part of it. You got to
Otherwise-
do it.
Otherwise, it will haunt you.
Yes, especially because so many more people use mobile than they use things like
Yeah.
desktop and stuff. So it's very
Exactly.
important to have your things responsive.
Exactly.
So,
So-
much as it sucks sometimes.
Question, Daniel. Okay, question.
Yes.
Um,
Yes.
where do we get the icon now?
Figma. We could just literally just pull out of the
shit,
Figma.
we can. Yeah, let's go. That's alright. Let's go.
Yeah.
That's already so cool.
Export it SVG.
You know, what? This is
You said-
literally feels like someone else is pumping you up. Like, Nasari, let's go. It's like it's not me pumping myself up. It's someone else pumping myself up. I love this.
Making your entrance, you need that pump.
I
of
know
stuff
it's
going.
making my ego even bigger, basically.
Yeah. At least you're honest. At least you're fucking honest with yourself.
Daniel, I mean, come on, this is fun, right?
Yeah, it's fun. I'm just playing around. Like I love it.
Oh yeah,
Like,
I
think
know,
it's
I
so
know,
good.
I know.
It's so good.
I know, it's funny. Okay,
I can't wait till I could get a roadcaster and get the exact
Dude,
same thing.
this
so I
small
could
one
just-
that I got is called Road X. Okay,
Yeah.
so cool. It's like this is the reason why I can talk like this, and like it has all these
Yeah.
cool things. Like it can beep me, right? But
I
just
need
say
that for myself sometimes.
yeah.
That's good. But
Somebody asked another question here. Okay, should we answer a question? Somebody
what
said.
they asking?
By the way, this is out of topic, guys. In one of the project, I want to store data that looks like a 2D matrix, like height, width. Okay, makes sense. What would be a good way? A SQL or no SQL? To store the 2D matrix. What is a 2D matrix for, by the way? Can I ask that question, by the way? That's
Yeah,
important.
yeah,
to
yeah.
know. I can tell you this, though. You can store it in both, but if it's a small project, you can actually use NoSQL. So like, for example, a 2D matrix has what? It's 3 by 3, let's just say, right? So the question is, how do you store that data? Well, you can store it in an array. So,
Yeah.
and NoSQL actually is great for that, because then you can just do an array. So for example, it could be like, let me see here. Like it might look like this, for example. Might look like matrix is equal to, remember, in NoSQL it's always an object, but then you say here,
Yes.
they say like data.
NoSQL is
Let's
very
just,
powerful.
yeah. So then
for,
you
like,
put the array,
JSON stuff.
and then you say 1, 2, 3. Then you say comma. Then you have 4, 5, 6. Then you have comma. Then you have 7, 8. 7, 8, 9. There we go. And so now it's a matrix right there, see? And you stored it as a matrix. There it is. So actually, NoSQL would be a good solution here. Would you agree, Daniel?
I would agree. NoSQL is a lot more flexible with the kind of data you can store.
Yeah.
Compared to
So-
SQL, it's structured specifically in a table-like format. So
Yeah. So just use MongoDB, honestly.
yeah, MongoDB, Firebase, I think would
Oh,
be a great
Firebase
one.
is great too,
Firestore.
honestly. Yeah,
Firebase is even more simpler
Yeah.
to get started with. And yeah.
Okay,
like
so we got our SVG here, Daniel, okay?
Sweet.
There's my
Let's talk
SVG.
about what you want.
There it is. Okay, I'm gonna drag this SVG into... Oh, right here, public.
There we go. Yep, perfect.
There we go. So I'm gonna take this SVG. I'm gonna change it to be like, what? Link?
Mm. Yeah.
Link that SVG. There we go. So that's all good now. What do we do now? Daniel, help me.
Okay, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna use the image component from Next. We're gonna use like what we did before.
Import
Yeah.
image from.
Yep.
Um,
Next/image. I
Is it
believe.
next/image?
Yes, yeah, it's next/image.
There we go.
And
Okay,
then
you
we're
do the
gonna
rest.
put that
You
right
do the
under the
rest.
highlight.
You do the rest.
You wanna do the rest?
Yes, you do the
Okay.
rest.
Okay, let's do it then.
Yes.
I gotta close out some of these.
Daniel's got this,
files,
guys.
so
Daniel,
let's do it.
Daniel, Daniel, let's go. Daniel,
Yeah,
let's go.
Let's do it. Let me open the app.
Everybody in the
first.
chat
first
say,
one.
Daniel, let's go.
Okay, so to get started, we're gonna define the image component here.
Yep.
And
Image.
then we need to specify the source, but first we need to import the SVG at the top.
Okay,
which
right
we do
here. Yes.
Import.
Yes.
We'll say link
Link.
icon, and then from
Nice.
//
Cool.
or maybe that's a little, no, that's perfect. I think actually public,
Public.
and then boom, then link,
Nice.
and there we go. We got
I
it
still have to
imported,
figure out
and then
We still have to figure out what this public thing. I think there's a better way of doing the public thing, because
I feel like too. I've been trying to understand that. Sometimes it's still,
so
it gets
in-
me like,
when we build NFT projects, okay, when we build blockchain projects, like you actually create a configuration, but you do it like this. You actually can do it like this: add public,
like how?
or this: add public.
Yeah.
And-
Oh yeah. You could do path aliases. Look,
Yeah.
we could do that right now if we wanted to, because it's easy to set up because we have like a TypeScript config. So if you want to, like for example, go to TS config.
Yeah.
And you scroll down, you'll see an object called pass already defined there.
There we go. Oh,
And then what we could do is we could add it at the bottom. Do
there we go.
/public.
No, not that slash.
there-
It's add public.
But you just want to do at public.
Yeah.
Gotcha. And then / and then the asterisk is to let us know anything inside this path we want to grab.
Yep.
And then we're gonna do, was it based on this path? We're doing /public. But first I gotta make sure I put that in a string. Oh, okay, specify the double string. Hate when it does that. There we go. And then
Yep.
we have to also specify the /asterisk. Let us know we want everything inside that folder. We
Yep.
want to be able to grab everything.
There we go. Awesome. That's
And then we can go back and we can replace it.
yeah. Nice job, Daniel. Good job. So now we go
So
back
at the
to
top,
here.
and we
Go
can just
ahead.
replace it with that.
Go ahead, replace
Okay,
it.
so
Daniel.
like Let's do app public
Nice.
slash. If I have it right, it should autocomplete if it's set right. But I don't know. Maybe you have to go back to that.
You might have to restart the. Oh, it did. It worked.
Oh shit. Okay.
I think it worked.
Let's see.
Let's see.
Look, I'm not getting any errors.
Oh, damn. Oh, it did work.
Oh, it's
Daniel,
there.
let's
Let's
go.
That's a great way of like shortening links is
Okay.
using pathlysis.
Display flex on this shit. Okay, hold on. Display flex this shit.
Go for it.
You go flex.
Do it.
Flex it. Oh, I forget it. Flex it. Oh, I forget it. I don't know. There's a song that's like similar to this. So by flexing it, now we have it here. We create a
Yeah,
gap
that's
now.
perfect.
Do you know how to create a gap in TailwindCSS? I keep forgetting.
It's just using the gap keyword.
Just gap, right? It's just got
Yeah,
gap 1 or
just
gap
gap.
2. So say
Yeah,
gap
exactly.
dash 2. Boom. Boom, bada bang. So we save that. And there we go. We got this. Now, of course, there's a lot of cleanup that we have to do, guys. That's going to come later. We're just kind of setting this stuff up right now, okay? But later on, then that will make it work pretty much. So, make sense?
Nice.
What's
I
up?
love the way these 3D icons are looking. There's something about the laptop one you imported that looks so good.
Really? You like it,
Yeah,
huh?
I like the colors and like there's a lot of like depth
Damn.
with it.
You
with
know
the
what? I actually
shadows and stuff.
customized it myself.
Yeah, how'd you customize it? 'Cause that looks
I just
really
changed the
good.
colors. That's all I did.
But still, it looks good. Like,
know,
it's
right?
Simple things like that can make it look
I know.
really great. So
Good job, Nazari.
yeah, good job, Nazari. You should. I think you're learning from him because like,
I know,
can see
I
it-
know.
I can see it in you.
He's just such a smart guy. Daniel's like, haha. I don't know about that.
Yes. Great.
Great.
Yes.
Give him a bigger ego.
Yes, give it all.
Anyways, guys, so this is our Fuma resume. We'll throw this into a link later on, but this is as far as we
Yes.
got today. So pretty good, honestly. I'm liking where this is heading.
Yeah, the icons on your screen look fucking great.
amazing.
Because for some reason my computer is not wanting to work right now, so I'm not seeing them all
Yeah, 'cause your
exactly like the
computer
way
is
you're seeing
shit.
them. It is shit right now.
Yeah.
Man. What is up with that?
It just doesn't work.
Okay.
Okay,
I gotta
so-
talk to it.
Yeah, you gotta be nice to it.
Nice.
There you go. So,
Yeah.
Fuma resume. That's so good. I like that.
But yeah,
Yeah, I
I'm
think you need to make this a
loving it.
little bit bigger. I think this is not the same
Yeah.
design as what we had here.
I feel like there's a lot more space. Yeah, I think we
Yeah.
just increase the size and the
Yeah.
look at the line height of the text.
Even the
You
line
see
height
the
is
line height?
huge, yeah.
Yeah,
like
we
the line height
increase the
is-
font size and the line height. And then I
Yeah.
think it'll be
So
good.
actually, let me see here. What's the line height here? CSS.
Inspect. Yeah, should be down.
Line height
100.
115 pixels. Wow, this is huge.
Yeah, it's insane.
Let's
Like some of the values
inspect
in the
that.
Figma are crazy. I'm like, how is that?
It's so
actually
different.
feasible?
I know, right? It's so different. It's not supposed to be.
Yeah.
That's screwed up. So anyway, H1 line height. So I think it's like 2. Oh no, 1.5,
Whoa.
1.4.
Oh, you're using just
I'm just
units.
using like numbers. 1.3, 1.
Yeah, just numbers.
1.2. What do you think about that?
That's better. I
Yeah.
think and just make the font
Yeah.
just a little bit bigger, and then I think it's good.
Yeah. We'll modify it in the next video.
Oh
So
yeah, for
anyways,
sure then. Okay.
there we
let's
go.
do it.
Okay, everybody. So that's our video for today.
Yeah.
Hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for tuning in. We're gonna be back hopefully on Monday. I gotta figure
Yeah.
out my internet situation by Monday, so that's the only thing.
Oh, what's going on with the internet?
Well, no, because I'll be, I'm traveling.
Oh yeah, that's right. That's right. Okay, yeah,
Yeah,
makes sense.
so-
Makes sense.
Anyways, guys, that's it
Okay.
from us. Do you have any questions? No questions? Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not even gonna give you time to ask questions. So anyways. Um,
Hey,
all
little
right,
brother,
Daniel.
straight to the point.
Daniel, did you enjoy it?
Oh, I loved it. Yeah, this is a lot of fun. Got a lot done today, so I'm like,
Yeah.
I'm really happy with it. It
Yeah.
was fun playing around with spline stuff.
Yeah.
And,
And then
it's starting to look a lot more complete. I think
Dude,
we just touched
yeah.
this up. We got something that's
that
looking
looked
really
good. Look at this.
Yeah.
I'm actually proud of ourselves.
Someone in the chat said your voice. That's all they said. Your voice.
Thank you. Glad you enjoyed it. Glad you enjoyed
I
it.
know. It's
Um,
great.
Anyway, so that's that. Yeah. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Okay? Because we do this.
Yeah.
We've been doing this for the past week, and I'm liking this. And we're gonna
Me
continue to
too.
do this and make some more videos and yeah.
God, that went so high pitch right there. That's crazy. Oh my god.
Show this to your girlfriend. She's like,
I
"What is-"
will. I will. This is gold. But yeah, had a lot of fun today. Going
Alright,
through this.
everybody. Have yourselves a great day. Have a great weekend. And we'll see you next week. Bye.
See you guys.